Okay, I'm back. It's time for another reading from the Book of Zingers. Little guidance to help you stay in bliss, help you stay loving and happy. All right? Here's one, number 348. Have your attention on what you're becoming, not what you're overcoming. All right? Because of the universal law of perception that energy follows thought, have your attention on what you're becoming so that energy flows into what you're becoming, not what you're overcoming. Okay? Sure, you might put a little attention on something that you need to overcome, note it, give it 5% of your attention to note it, and then put all of the rest of your mind power on what you are becoming. I'm becoming bright, I'm becoming cheerful, is a lot different than saying I'm overcoming depression, okay? You notice that you are gonna overcome depression, okay? But then you start affirming and putting your focus on I'm becoming bright, I'm becoming cheerful, I'm becoming happier every day, I'm seeing the best in all things, all right? So put your attention on what you're becoming, not what you're overcoming. And there's another one in here that kind of goes with that, so I'll leave you with another one here today, which is, don't change your world to fix your mind, change your mind. It's kind of very, very similar in energy, okay? Trying to change the world is putting all your attention on what's wrong with it, and it will just expand. It'll just get bigger and bigger and bigger. Just change your mind about what you think of it, okay? Don't change the world, change your mind, okay? Don't change your world to fix your mind or to make you happy. Change your mind. That'll handle it. All right, thank you.